To cancel an automatic action in Foodpanda, start by opening the Foodpanda app and logging in. On the left-hand side, tap the user icon. From the available options, select Help Center. Under the How Can We Help section, choose My Orders. Here, you will find articles or instructions related to your query. Tap on Can I cancel my order? And click on the arrow next to it. You'll then see different options to select based on your situation, such as, I accidentally placed a pre-order. Select your reason and tap Confirm at the bottom. A prompt will appear notifying you of potential penalties that may apply to future orders. Once reviewed, tap Yes to finalize the cancellation. After canceling successfully, select Close. You can then continue using the app to place future orders or leave it as is.